My name is Kelly and I live in Houston, Texas. There's a lot of things that got us to want to go solar. First of all, we want to try to do our part for the environment. Energy costs are just going up all the time. And here in Texas, we have hurricanes and of course last year a major freeze. So the power goes out not just for those time periods, but at random times, the power goes out all the time. We have two kids. We have a daughter who just turned 12 and a son who just turned 9. They're at the prime age of never spending time with us and always being on a screen. Continuous electricity is very, very important. It's critical to all of their life skills at this age. We did lose power during a hurricane recently. Nothing changed in the house. The kids went upstairs and watched TV like normal. My daughter didn't even realize the power was out until we told her that the power was out. My husband and I continued to work all day like normal. My neighbors were texting me, asking me how things were working, and I just showed them the coffee pot that was on and opened the refrigerator, and then you see the light. So yeah, all the neighbors were very interested in how it worked. The level of stress involved when a hurricane comes in and your power goes out, like, you just don't want to relive that experience. It's not a good feeling. To me, I think it's only going to get worse. I mean, the infrastructure already failed. The grid provider tells us to expect higher costs, higher bills. I just don't think things are going to improve, and this is a way around it.